Hi everyone, my name is Tanushri Nair and I am going to explain you about force and some simple machines. In last video, we learned about force, muscular force, gravitational force, electrostatic force and elastic force. In this class, we are going to learn about buoyant force, mechanical force, magnetic force and frictional force. Now, let me learn about buoyant force. There is 2 glasses of water and I have a punching machine here and a glue here. I am putting a glue on this water and a punching machine on this water. When solid objects are dropped in water, some floats and some do not float, and some sinks and some do not sink. The upward force that makes things float is called buoyant force. Now, let me learn about mechanical force. The force exerted by the machines is called mechanical force. The fan is running. This is called mechanical force. Now, let me learn about magnetic force. A magnet is the pulling force of the magnets have an object made of iron. Magnets have a space around them called magnetic field. When an object made of iron comes within the field, it expresses the magnet force. Now, let me learn about frictional force. The force that tries to stop the moving object across the surface is called frictional force. Frictions has some advantages. Let's learn that. There are 2 types of advantages. Advantages of frictions and disadvantages of frictions. What is advantages of frictions? Frictions reduce the tendency to slide and slip. It is the force that helps tires of cars, bicycles and other vehicles to keep a grip on the road. It also prevents us from slipping on the floor when we walk. Other advantages of frictions are the example of advantages of force. We can take the example, a mat, it helps us to light a matchsticks when we rub it on the rough surface of the matchbox. Now, let me learn about disadvantages of frictions. Frictions wear out surfaces that are constantly moving against each other. For example, the soles of our footwear wear out after we have used them for many days. Friction gives rise to unwanted heat. Engineers of cars consume a lot of fuel to reduce this heat. Vehicles should have streamlined shapes to move at a high speed and reduce the effect of friction, otherwise they will burn a lot of fuels to move fast. In this class, we learned about buoyant force, mechanical force, magnetic force and frictional force. In next video, let me learn about simple machines. Thank you.